hard about it, done a lot of soul searching, and considered all the options, and I finally decided. Are you kidding? Of course I want to keep racing. Are you kidding? Of course I want to keep racing. The thing is, if I'm going to be faster than Storm, I need to train like him. Look, every mile of this trip was to get me faster than Jackson Storm. Faster. I started off getting nowhere for a week on a simulator. I lose a whole day with you on Fireball Beach, and then I waste tonight in the crosshairs of Miss Fritter. I'm stuck in the same speed I was a month ago. I can't get any faster because I'm too busy taking care of my trainer.
To look at the little brother, but
The reason I came to your neck of the face, there's a face in your neck. Woods, neck of the woods. The reason I'm here is because I heard a little tumor. I heard a rumor. Well, you could give me kind of a harmless virus kind of thing that might be able to slow down the slaughter race game?
But right then, danger came from behind. Ring, 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 ring. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. Puss was never seen again. Ha-ha, the end.
No, I'm sorry, but I will never let that happen to me. Instead, I woke up